Welcome to RI Review. Today, we're exploring 10 mind-blowing gadgets for your home. From starry sky projectors to smart bathroom upgrades and glowing faucets, these products are designed to wow and simplify your life.
This is a dreamy star and moon projector. It spins 360 degrees and fills your ceiling with colorful moons and stars.
Next, the ocean wave lamp. It projects shimmering ocean waves and Aurora effects in 16 colors. Relax, meditate, or just set the perfect mood. This lamp does it all.
For something more immersive, check out the 13-in-1 Planetarium projector. Realistic constellations, a moon effect, and a starry sky simulation bring your room to life. Perfect for date nights or a calming evening at home.
Here's a plasma ball that reacts to touch and sound. Watch colorful electric arcs burst across the glass. USB-powered and highly interactive, it's a fun desk accessory or conversation starter.
This gadget combines a simulated flame light with essential oil diffusion. Optional Bluetooth and remote control make it even cooler. Enjoy the visual charm and soothing scent in any room.
Upgrade your sink with the LED Waterfall Faucet. The cascading water glows with LED colors, creating a futuristic and stylish vibe in your bathroom or kitchen.
Organize your bathroom with this smart toothbrush holder. Wall-mounted, USB rechargeable, and it automatically dispenses toothpaste. Hygienic, space-saving, and totally convenient.
Next is the levitating Starlight orb. It floats using magnetic repulsion and rotates mid-air with rainbow gradient lights. A mesmerizing addition to any room or office.
This small motion sensor nightlight turns on automatically when it senses movement. Rechargeable, easy to mount, and perfect for hallways, closets. And finally, let's take another look at the LED Waterfall Faucet from a different angle. Imagine a dark bathroom suddenly glowing as water cascades in colored light. It's not just functional, it's a statement piece for any modern home.
That's a wrap on 10 amazing gadgets to light up, scentify, or upgrade your home. Which one would you add to your space? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gadget reviews. Stay bright, stay curious, and see you next time.